About 10 years ago, I started a series of exploratory watercolors based on the theme of children who had been hidden under different circumstances and for different reasons. And I put the notebooks away, and during the pandemic I found them and decided to try to make a series of paintings. At that time, I realized that I didn't want to go back into large-scale oil painting, and I thought egg tempera suited the subject matter, the intimacy, the claustrophobia of what it is to be hidden against your will in attics and in cellars for many different reasons. And so for the last few years, I've been working on this series of egg tempera paintings. These watercolor sketches are full of different ideas, many of which don't become paintings, and some of which do become paintings. Like, maybe I'll go back and make a painting of that one. But this one became this egg tempera painting. And then this one was the painting that came from this study. And as you can see, the final egg tempera really preserves a lot of the same feeling as a watercolor, which is what I'm interested in. So I've been working on them on and off for the last few years and taking an opportunity to do a little teaching video in case anyone might be interested in trying egg tempera in a technique that's not so traditional, that's much looser than the traditional egg tempera technique, that's looser and more fluid, and that's what I've tried to do.